Here I've got Bluboo as 8, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first you have to open your Play Store. Obviously you have to make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, otherwise you will not be able to update your apps. Then tap on the More icon, go to My Apps and Games, and here under Updates, just refresh it. You will be able to find all apps that can be updated. So you can either pick one particular application, for example Google Drive, just tap here and wait until it's done. As you can see, you can observe the progress, so at first it will be downloaded and then installed, but meanwhile you can also use your device in a normal way, so you can search the browser, watch some movie, call your friend, play some game, just do whatever you want to with your Bluboo S8, and then just go back to Google Play Store and check if it has been already done. So just give it a couple more seconds. And as you can see, it has been done. Now if you scroll down, you will be able to find Google Drive under Recently Updated. You can also update all apps at once. Just tap on Update All and then all applications will be updated. And obviously meanwhile you can also use your device as usually. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.